There are several ways to earn money online, but the amount you can earn daily depends on your skills, time availability, and dedication. Some options include online surveys. You can sign up for websites such as Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Windale Research, which pay for taking online surveys. Freelancing. Offer your skills on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can offer services such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, write articles for a blog, or publish an ebook. Monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, consider offering online tutoring services. Selling products. Start an online store through platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy and sell physical or digital products. Data entry. You can find data entry jobs on websites like Remote or Flex Jobs. Virtual assistants. Offer administrative support to businesses and individuals through websites like 𝐁𝐿 or Time etc. Web development. Offer website design and development services to businesses and individuals. Social media management. Help businesses manage their social media presence on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Remember, earning $3 to $10 daily may not be feasible with just one source of income and may require multiple streams. Additionally, you'll need to be disciplined, persistent, and willing to put in the time and effort to build a reliable income stream.